two new products. This is called Shimmer, and this is called Color. The Color is something that you can wear on your lips, on your cheeks, even on your eyelids. The Shimmer, same thing. Shimmer I actually really like on the eyelids. So I'm going to show you how that looks. I don't have any eyeshadow on. I just do a hit of that, and it's completely natural. All these products, there's literally 6 ingredients in this. Vitamin E. I haven't totally got the eyeshadow thing down, but when I did my vampire film 25 years ago, they put this sort of orangey color on my lid, and it just looked so glowy and youthful. I mirrored this shimmer color after that, and of course it's fantastic up on your bone, and it's super fantastic at your temples and forehead. It gives that, I'm gonna say it, sun-kissed glow. You just look a little healthier. You could kind of swipe it on the jawline. It has, antioxidants in it, so it's actually really good for your skin. It's not filled with a bunch of clogging ingredients. And then we have the Color, and the Color, just a little on the lips. It just goes with everybody's lip color. Sometimes where you don't want that, oh, I have lipstick on kind of look. You just want to get rid of maybe that whiteness from the dryness that you get. And then, of course, we hit our cheeks with this great 100% natural, antioxidant-filled color bomb. And the only thing on my face, besides a little concealer under my eyes, is the Color and Shimmer. Dot that right on the cheeks. Boom. And then put the Shimmer around my forehead and jaw, and on my eyes. So good skincare really is the best makeup. And before I did any of that, you don't get that crepiness. I used a base of In Your Face cream.